Want to browse without saving your history, cookies, or searches? Here's how to use private browsing mode, also known as Incognito Mode, on Safari for iPhone. Like and subscribe for more privacy tips and iPhone how-tos. Start by opening the Safari app on your iPhone. On the bottom right, tap the tabs icon that looks like two overlapping squares. This shows all your open Safari tabs. In the tab view, tap the Start Page or X tabs label at the bottom center. A menu will pop up. Now tap Private to switch into private browsing mode. Then tap the plus icon to open a new private tab. You'll know you're in private mode when Safari turns dark gray or black and a message appears saying private browsing mode is on. While in this mode, Safari won't save your search history, browsing history, or autofill information. When you're done, tap the tabs icon again, switch back to your regular tabs, and Safari will automatically close your private tabs to protect your privacy. That's it. You're now browsing privately on iPhone Safari. Like and subscribe for more smart iPhone tips and privacy tricks.